Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So I've made a little mistake with our LS engine. Apparently if you use titanium valve springs, you're supposed to rotate the engine about once a month while you're working on it before you get it started. So once you get the engine started and you run it and you drive it a little bit, then your valve springs will be all right. But if the valve springs are brand new and they're just sitting in the engine compressed, it could cause them to develop a memory, which will completely ruin the valve springs and could blow your engine. So this engine hasn't been turned over in about 6 months, and that's right at the limit for how long you want to let those valve springs stay compressed. Now I have dual valve springs, so I should be okay. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the engine over, and I believe the proper way to do it would be to turn the engine over 180 degrees, and then next weekend I'll turn it over another 180 degrees, and then next weekend another 180 degrees, and I'll try and keep that going so that we can keep these valve springs from getting damaged, and hopefully if they developed a little bit of a memory, it'll relax out of them. The problem is turning this engine over isn't easy. The skid plate's in the way, the radiator's in the way. I mean, it's just it's gonna suck. So I think the smartest thing to do is to just take the whole skid plate assembly down as one piece. But I got to get under the car, and since the lift is occupied with a much more valuable car. Okay, always use a jack stand. So okay, that jack stand's in there. Now we got to get this out, which I believe was, nope. Yep. Okay, I actually have the wrong size sockets with me. Ooh, that one wasn't tight. Okay. Where'd that bolt go? Whoa, almost smashed my face into that. Sorry, I gotta go all the way over here for sockets. I'm actually heating the garage up because our next video will be a painting video, so the garage has to be hot enough to paint. It's really noisy and loud, but it's like 70 degrees in here right now, which is just about as low as you want to go to get a decent paint job. I think 17. Ah, hell, don't tell me. 18. Son of a mother. Well, fucking hell. What the fuck? Ah. Well, that's crap. Guess I'll have to just use the standard sizes. Good enough. It's probably 13/16 too big. 3/4 just about right. Oh yeah, that's not gonna be fun. It's a lot of washers. Ooh, I don't want to bend that. Shit, I made a mistake. I don't have anything to hold it. Crap. I really screwed up. It's way heavier than I thought it was. God damn it. It's gonna bend the fucking... God fucking damn it. Fuck. I don't have anything to hold it up. It's fucking never fucking easy to do anything in this fucking... God fucking damn it. Probably completely fucking ruined it already. God damn it. Where's the other bolt? Fuck. Come on. Where'd the... Little safety thing there. Okay. Oh my God, that's heavy for aluminum. Okay. Should not go anywhere. Now to crank the engine over, I don't even know if I can do it with my... With this, probably not. The other question is, what size bolt is the... It's not a 22. And this is too big. There's no way it's a 27. I thought I had a 24. What about 7/8? Well, that's not good. I thought what the hell size was supposed to... Okay. Well, it's very frustrating. I have a 24, but it's the wrong size. I have the adapter. Have an adapter. Okay. Of course, there's not enough fucking room left for a fucking ratchet. God damn. Well, shit. Gotta be fucking kidding me. I thought I had a 1/2 inch 24. I do. I mean, obviously, if I could roll the car in gear and turn the engine over, it would be better. However, none of the nuts and bolts on the transaxle are torqued. The transaxle doesn't have oil in it. I don't want to put any strain on the transaxle right now because it's not even the axle nuts or bolts are torqued, so we don't want to take any risks there. Okay, and there's already a marker mark on the bolt pointing pretty much straight up. So we just want to do 180 degrees. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it with that's what I figured. Whoops. It's gonna be a pain in the dick. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Ah, fucking hell. I don't know if even this is gonna give me enough leverage. There's a lot of pressure in that engine. There it goes. Oh yeah. Almost. Okay. I would say that's right at 180. I'm just gonna have to, well, we gotta paint some stuff today, but then I'll just put the car on the jack stands on both sides to keep it up so I can rotate that engine. Just leave these tools over here. Okay, now I gotta get it back off the jack stand because of the, the next video we're gonna paint this, we're gonna paint this, and we're gonna paint under here where they missed. So, yeah. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.